I think people around me had realized this before I had,
Yeah.
because I'd been singing since I was a kid, and I was in boarding school. वहाँ पर I was doing a lot of singing competitions and performances. Then I went to college and I studied opera. So everyone around me had realized that she's going to be a professional singer. So मेरी कहानी थोड़ी उल्टी है. जहाँ पर लोग पेरेंट्स यूजली बोलते हैं कि थोड़ा कन्वेंशनल करियर चूज करो. माय पेरेंट्स एक्चुअली encouraged me to take risks. I said I knew nobody in the city. I knew nobody, and people literally there was no idea where to start.
Right.
And it was some introduction from somewhere to somewhere that led me to having a jingle. Then I started doing more and more jingles. The difference between being a singer and singer songwriter, उससे मेरी लाइफ काफी बदली. बिकॉज पहले मैं गाने गाती थी, पर जब से मैंने अपने गाने खुद लिखने शुरू करे, खुद कंपोज करना शुरू करा है, इट्स लाइक मेरे गानों में अब मेरी रूह है, मेरी एक इंडिविजुअलिटी है. शायद अब एक ऐसा टाइम आ गया है कि एक आर्टिस्ट को सिर्फ अपनी कला पे ही नहीं और चीजों पे भी फोकस करना चाहिए. बिकॉज
Hello, this is your host Riyanka, and today on Meri Kahani Meri Zubani, we have the super versatile and super talented Shreya Sharma. Shreya is a passionate digital creator, singer, and a musician too. Fans love her content because it is not only entertaining but also encouraging. Shreya is a powerhouse of entertainment as she presents rocking performances at different events. Today on Meri Kahani, Meri Zubani, let's know more about the amazing journey of this young buddhouse of talent. So Shreya, firstly let me tell you that I love your voice and I'm so
thank
glad
you so much.
that today you're here with us on Meri Kahani, Meri Zubani. Welcome.
I'm really happy to be here. Thank you for having me.
You're welcome. So, I always like to know from the start, like, कैसे आपकी journey start हुई? When was the first time you thought कि no, this is not just for fun. Like, I'm not taking up singing just as a hobby. I want to do this professionally.
I think people around me had realized this before I had,
Yeah.
because I'd been singing since I was a kid, and I was in boarding school. वहाँ पर I was doing a lot of singing competitions and performances. Then I went to college and I studied opera. So everyone around me had realized that she's going to be a professional singer. And when I first moved to Bombay, I had a job in marketing, and my parents actually told me, they said, what are you doing? This is not what you're supposed to be doing.
Right.
You're talented. So मेरी कहानी थोड़ी उल्टी है. जहाँ पर लोग पेरेंट्स यूजली बोलते हैं कि थोड़ा कन्वेंशनल करियर चूज करो. माय पेरेंट्स एक्चुअली encouraged me to take risks. And yeah, so that's how I think it was. Even though I'd been singing forever, my parents told me that this is what you're meant to do. And then a little introspection later, I felt like, yeah, this is what I'm meant to do.
And you like doing it as well. So
Yes, I do. But I have to say, the difference between being a singer and singer songwriter, उससे मेरी लाइफ काफी बदली. बिकॉज पहले मैं गाने गाती थी, पर जब से मैंने अपने गाने खुद लिखने शुरू करे, खुद कंपोज करना शुरू करा है, इट्स लाइक मेरे गानों में अब मेरी रूह है, मेरी एक इंडिविजुअलिटी है. So that's something that's given me wings.
Such deep thoughts at such a young age. That's very, very inspiring, I'm sure, for all of you. Initially, when you started off this singing career, what kind of hardships or difficulties did you face? Or any obstacles that came up your way?
Oh, so many. I think the first thing is that I knew nobody in the city. I knew nobody, and people literally there was no idea where to start.
Right.
And it was some introduction from somewhere to somewhere that led me to having a jingle. Then I started doing more and more jingles, and then the idea, everyone always said one thing that was consistent everywhere I went, which is that you have to build a presence on social media.
Right.
And but coming back to the hardship, I think the fact that I didn't know anyone, and that I did not know how to check if someone is legitimate or not. Who's going to waste your time, because there are a lot of people who will waste your time. And that sense is something that came with time. It didn't come naturally because I'm not from here.
Right. So where are you basically from?
I'm from a lot of places. I'm from Meerut, which is where my home is.
Okay.
I grew up in a boarding school in Dehradun. Then I went to New York for college, and now I'm here. So
wow,
few different homes.
Quite a lot.
Yeah.
Wow. And now you based in Mumbai.
Yes.
All rocking and singing.
And trying to, yeah.
Yeah. No, I saw your content and it's amazing.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So, often there are times with young artists where they go into this self-doubt zone, like, am I good enough or not? Why am I not getting that consistent work that others are? And I'd also like to add on to this that, there's a lot of favoritism in the industry that happens. Like, if you have contacts or if you're someone's beta beti, nepotism. So, do you think that exists in the singing industry as well? And
100%, of course. It definitely does exist.
Mhm.
Of course, now the advantage that younger singers have is that we get to make our own brand with social media,
Right.
but slowly even that is becoming very
Yeah,
concentrated, and it's just becoming like an overload of
correct,
content.
correct.
And yeah, as for discouraging times, I think ये एक artist का ये नसीब में है. I go through those periods every year
Mm.
where I feel like, am I even meant to be doing this? Is it time? Should I call it quits? But I think what I've learned over the last year from traveling is that शायद अब एक ऐसा टाइम आ गया है कि एक आर्टिस्ट को सिर्फ अपनी कला पे ही नहीं और चीज़ों पे भी फोकस करना चाहिए, बिकॉज डाइवर्सिफिकेशन इज वेरी
Very
इम्पोर्टेंट
important.
फॉर अस.
Yeah.
सो मैं हमेशा दो चीज़ों को बहुत मायने दूंगी. वन इज अपस्केलिंग, कि अपनी स्किल्स बढ़ाते रहो.
Yeah. Yeah.
अगर इफ यू आर अ सिंगर, ट्राई टू राइट योर ओन सॉन्ग्स. इफ यू आर सिंगिंग एंड राइटिंग योर ओन सॉन्ग्स, maybe learn something about
True,
production
true.
and recording. If you're doing all three of those, maybe get better at all three of those. There's ways that you have to make yourself indisposable.
Yeah.
And the other thing is that अगर गाने writing के अलावा और भी कोई skills हैं, you should use those to get
Yeah.
to form new avenues.
True.
क्योंकि मेरी बहन ने मेरे को एक बात कही थी कि आज जो हमारे careers हैं
Hmm.
वो हमारे बचपन में exist नहीं करते थे.
True. I agree.
And so we're in a very good stage where we get to create new avenues.
Yeah. Very true.
Mm.
I also learned something. Okay. So, you're a pretty girl. Have people approach you directly, indirectly, in terms of like, if maybe like, you do something like a casting couch scenario where आप ऐसे करोगे तो आपको हम उस मूवी में ब्रेक देंगे या फिर वहाँ पे आपको गाने का मौका मिलेगा. Anything of that sort has come up your way?
I can't name names,
Of course
but
not.
in a very indirect way, yes. Where there was one person who said, we're doing a premiere in Chandigarh, you come, I'll take care of everything, and then I'll introduce you to XYZ. Who knows, maybe अगली movie में आपको कुछ मिल जाएगा. And then when I first moved to Bombay, there was he's a very well-known music director now. And उसने बहुत बड़े गाने करे हैं, but he was just मतलब crazy. He texting me at all hours of the night, just always crossing boundaries despite knowing that I wasn't comfortable.
Right.
I think एक vibe पहुंच जाती है, and I think at that time I was very timid because I had just come back
Less
from
exposure.
Yeah, I had just come back from New York, so मेरे को एक Indian आदमी का वो डर था कि कहीं पागल ना हो जाए.
Right, right.
So I didn't want to like hurt anyone's ego as well,
Correct.
because if you do, then who knows what they'll do later. And that mindset had just kind of like,
Yeah.
because in New York I was very spitfire. If someone did
Mhm.
something I didn't like, I would just
Yeah.
spout off to them,
Right.
because I felt a little more protected. But I didn't feel as protected here, especially in, I will say this, in a city like Bombay. थोड़ी contentious बात है, but we don't actually protect single girls very much. हम उन्हें घर ही इतनी मुश्किल से देते हैं. अगर God forbid कोई problem आ गई,
Yes.
तो सबसे पहले उन्हें ये सोचना होता है कि यार मेरी छत चली जाएगी क्या? Like, if I report this, if the
Yeah,
cops
yeah,
come to
yeah,
my
yeah.
house, will I have to
Be
deal
able to
with,
continue in this house.
yeah,
or
will I
not,
be,
yeah.
otherwise should I look somewhere else? And it's very unfortunate, and it's very sexist, to be very honest. ये बहुत ही backward thinking है, and I hope that it's changed now.
Yeah.
But this was something I faced that I felt even scared to report something. And yeah, so one experience was very like, almost direct, that you come, I will arrange everything. And the other one was just it wasn't casting couch, but it was inappropriate.
Right. And this person was a very popular music director who would ping you often.
Is a very popular music director.
Okay. Okay. So, tell us about one harsh truth that upcoming singers, who are just going to enter the industry, should be aware about. Something that they should really know.
You got to be very thick-skinned. You really have to be crazy good with your social media game. You have to make your own voice, your own brand. Your branding has to be spot on. I don't think talent बहुत लोगों में है. India is a very talented country. But you have to be able to set yourself apart from the crowd. So whether it is through your look, through your content about like how you write, whether you rap, or the way you sing, or your production, or it could be something else, but there has to be some X factor that stands out about you. So that's one thing. And the second thing is that yes, networking is very important, and that's a lesson I'm still learning. I'm a very shy, quiet person,
right. So
and I don't like socializing much. I have a certain group of friends, and I just
you're comfortable with them.
But for me, even partying is something that I like to do in an intimate way. I like to have people at my home, cook food for them, and chill with them. The whole club scene is not my vibe, but honestly, it's how a lot of connections are made.
Yeah, most of them.
Yeah.
What is that one message you would like to give to these upcoming singers, who are like really thinking we're going to make it big in the industry?
I think I'll go back to what I said about upscaling and diversification.
Right.
I think you have to keep upscaling yourself. You have to keep saying, how do I get better from today? If every day you wake up with, I have to be better than what I was yesterday, nothing can stop you. And I struggle with that myself, but I feel like if you have that mindset, nothing's stopping you. And then diversification as well. You have to see what other skills you have and see how you can use them. And really put everything on the table that you can to make your own brand.
Wow. So thank you so much for this amazing stuff that you've told these upcoming singers. This is a very fun game, a rapid fire round that we play. So I'm just going to start off with it.
Yes, I'm excited about this.
Okay. So, beer or coffee?
Coffee. I'm not a beer person, I'm a wine person, but coffee, yeah.
Alright. House party or clubbing?
House party.
That I got to know. Yeah. Mumbai or hometown?
Mumbai. My hometown's very boring.
Okay.
Yeah. But the food is great.
Talent or luck? What matters more?
A few years ago, I would have said talent, but I gotta say luck this time. I think they both matter, but there are many people who have a lot of talent,
right?
But you need that little bit of luck to just cut through, and then you just have to work really hard.
True. Wow. So, one thing that no one knows about Shreya.
There's a lot of things that nobody knows about me. I'm a huge history buff. I really enjoy learning little tidbits about history. When I travel, I've always looked up the history of a certain place, and I want to go to those specific areas and kind of explore.
Wow.
I'm pretty sure people know this about me, but if you don't, I'm a huge wine geek. I love learning about wine, right from how the grapes are grown, the soil, the mountain, the everything.
Okay.
And so that is something that intrigues me a lot. And I'm a good cook. I'm a really good cook, so that's again something people should know that about me, because I post a lot of food content. And yeah, I think one thing people definitely don't know about me is that I'm actually quite a shy, anxious person.
Okay.
And they don't say that, but it's true.
Okay. So they see like that, a girl who is like singing with that oomph and all, but they don't know about
I think people think of me as a really bubbly,
very peppy,
friendly person who's really gung-ho, but I'm actually really shy. I'm overthinking everything in my head.
Right.
Every time I speak a sentence 10 times, I'll think, did I say anything? Did I offend someone? Did I offend someone? Oh my god, did I speak too much?
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Okay. So, given an option, you would go for fan love or fame.
Aren't they both the same? If you have fan love, you
would
essentially
get
have
fame.
fame.
Wow, this girl is intelligent. All right, Shreya, that was a lot of fun, speaking to you today about the insights of the industry, about how people should really explore new things and keep working on their talent. So, I'm sure the audience has also connected a lot to you and got to know
I
a
had
lot
a
of-
great time chatting with you, and I don't think I've ever opened up as much in any other interview.
Wow.
I'm normally a very reserved person, very calculated answers, but I think it's 2026. I can be a little risky.
Amazing. And I think you did a fab job. And I must thank you for opening up so well. And that was Shreya with us. And ऐसे ही entertaining episodes के लिए keep watching मेरी कहानी मेरी जुबानी.